Well, public buildings are constructed to ensure there is smooth functioning of the requisite activities. One police chowki, though, begs to differ. Here's a report.
The police chowki at Maruti Sevanagar in Banaswadi has remained unused from the day it was inaugurated. The chowki was conceived and constructed by the residents of the same area as a number of offences had skyrocketed. Ironically, the chowki turns out to be a godsend for anti-social elements as they use this place as a safe haven to propagate their nefarious activities.
ಮಹಿಳಾ ಹೋಮ್ ಗಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಎ.ಸಿ.ಪಿ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮನವಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಸರ್ ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಡಿ.ಸಿ.ಪಿ ಅವ್ರ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೂ ತಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಅವರು ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Interestingly, this area happens to be the constituency of Home Minister K.J. George, and surrounding this chowki is a world of filth which will drive you away from the place the instant you step in. The litany of woes just doesn't end here. The chowki is yet to get electricity connection and the furniture inside is coated with a thick membrane of dust. On the day of its inauguration, it was promised that policemen would be appointed. Even to this day, the promise has not been kept. All that has been done is some home guards being appointed.
ಈ ಚೌಕಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದು ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ ಸಂಪರ್ಕ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಚೌಕಿ ಇದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಜನಸ್ನೇಹ ಸಂಪರ್ಕ ಶಾಖೆ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಕಮ್ನಳ್ಳಿ ವಾರ್ಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಸಗಳನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಬಂದು ಚೌಕಿ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಡಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಚೌಕಿಗೂ ಗೌರವ ತರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸಂಜೆ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕುಡಿದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
The cost of the construction of this chowki easily reaches over $1 lakh. The money spent seems to have gone in vain. Are the authorities listening? Pemmaya Malayanda, News 9, Bengaluru.